Hey everybody, I've made real good progress on Business Ready. So let's do it from start to finish, and I've wrapped every individual function into a higher order function and then a higher order function called all. So let's run all. I have a VPN into the DevNet sandbox and a connection to a Catalyst 9300, a real one. So let's do this. So I'm going to pip install business ready, and this is on top of a PyATS installation. So it's successfully installed that. Let's clear the screen and head into Python 3. At this Python CLI, we want to import business ready. And now we can say business ready dot, let's do iOS all. And now I'm going to paste something in here that is 4 values we pass the function: the host name, username, password, and IP or DNS. So I press enter right away. It's connected and authenticated. Now let's keep an eye on the files that get created. And I'm going to have to make a second video to explore these files. I don't even know if I'm going to get all of the files in this video, but it's just going to happily crawl and make business ready documents for a variety. Right now it's still learning. What can you learn about ACLs and the ARP table, right? ARP and statistics, .1x, interfaces. It's still learning. And what's interesting, let me demagnify. What's interesting is that I don't really care what it is, if it's a switch or a router, because of my test-driven development. As you'll see, it's trying to learn, let's say, OSPF. But this is a switch. There is no OSPF. The job's not going to fail. It's going to leave a little message in the logs that says, could not learn OSPF, and then happily move along to, say, learn routing. And it's on to learn routing. Now, after the learn, and there's spanning tree, and we can see this is running multiple spanning tree and spanning tree. Here comes the VLANs, here's the VRFs, and now it will move on to show commands. That's right, surgical show commands, show access lists, show CDP neighbors, show CDP neighbor details, show IP interface brief. Those commands that we have come to rely on as network engineers, as business ready files ready to go, and the file type of your choice. So it's wrapped up here. All functions have been converted to business ready documents. And we can see I have all of these files. Wonderful. Let's explore the files.